te kubli shubuni fibro yo don ki bomnang kumno ban download iki admit card ki jongpi jong ki post repair kini balaj po ki po wes kasil no nam taban to exam ni post ki balaj po CRD block rimuliang bat shalang tenda plale hakane website weskasil.gov.in da plale kadon hak madu kini ladap ai admit card chokida admit card driver admit card GE admit card LDA admit card pion admit card an exam student fee klik be kini ai detail tu lami dan kendai MB muka admit card kalau download baik hang ne lut jong baro anda pia download sampai baro kita apply hajar ngutam adon be hang ne te pensa chupa download ya kane po cyber hano pia download nda ada bar download ya kane bade hin haban sata kadur ka jong piang tu roll number dan kami kadur pia bra ka for exam and to be filled up by in the examination hall and to be retained by invigilators attendance. So non kami kadur paste passport size photo here, okay. Written test examination for post of pion, ka venue dia po Saint Peter, ka time, subject, roll number, dan tengom ni kadon de pihak ra ro ya kadur ka porba lecho exam. Etang kom hi por of village print, latip hi kinong print, kin print mitang ka hi, te hang ne labsu lang ya baro kandidat hajar tam kandidat absulang ne adon lang baro la ka jong location ke ebro la tha baro te jong kiwe kom ju hi nga ban pe hang ne jong pion te phila ban check hi jong LDA jong GE jong chukidar ter tang ne hi khule subon